Not sure why my camera just turned off on me, but I don't appreciate that camera. Thanks. Rude. Anyway, so the next thing in here is it's either JUARA or JUARA Candlenut Body Cream. So this is it right here, and I hear really good things about this. So let me give it a little whiff. Oh my God, you guys, this smells amazing. So I really can't wait to try that. I'm actually gonna take that with me for my New York trip that's coming up. And I'm so excited for it. Okay, back to the subscription though, back to the subscriptions. So the next thing in here is the Klorane shampoo with mango butter. So it's basically a shampoo and conditioner for obviously like a one-time use. But I hear really, really good things about it, and I've never tried this brand for shampoo and conditioner, so I'm really excited to try that. Might as well just give it a little whiff, you know what I mean? Oh, it smells so good. It smells like mango. So that's that. Oh. The next thing in here is a blush highlighter from, it's either LAQA or LAQA and Company. So let's take a look-see. It looks like a cream. It says it's part highlighter, part blush. It's actually really pretty. And can you see that? Not sure if you can see that, but it is really pretty. And then the last thing in here is Too Cool for School All-in-One Egg Mellow Cream. So I actually have a couple of face masks, and I'm pretty sure that this is the same brand, but once that comes in, I'll show you. It's a 5-in-1 firming moisturizer. Oh, so it's not a mask, it's a moisturizer. Okay, pretty cool. Doesn't really have a smell to it, so. This Korean brand's egg-infused moisturizer features yolk extract to hydrate, while white extract purifies and tightens. It also works as a serum, an eye cream, or a sleep mask. And I love Korean beauty. It's all the rage right now. And I love their masks. So that was Birchbox, and I thought that was really a great box this month. Next up we have Ipsy. So this is the bag that came with Ipsy this month, and every single month it comes with a new bag. So let's see what I got in Ipsy. The first thing I'm pulling out of here is an It Cosmetics CC cream, and it has SPF 50, it's color correcting, full coverage cream, anti-aging, hydrating serum. So that's it right there. This is in the color medium. Let me take it out of its packaging and check it out. So this is it. I feel like this is a really good size too. And oh wow, that is really good coverage. I don't know if you can see that, and it's very smooth. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Well, it does a little bit, like SPF, like the teeniest bit though. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I'll try it out and let you know on my Insta stories or my Snap or both. So definitely follow me. It's Derbzilla. I'll definitely make sure to put a link down below so that you can follow me. The next thing in here is a MANNA KADAR Beauty HD Perfecting Powder. So I have gotten a lot of this brand stuff and I do really like it. So I'll try that out, tell you on Insta stories. Go follow me, I'm serious. Go follow me. Okay, Next thing in here is a Lisa Frank Bitten in Bronze Matte Bronzer. So this is it right here. This kind of just brings me back to like my childhood because Lisa Frank was just so cool when I was growing up. So this is what it looks like, and this is the color. So I'm really excited to use this. It's matte. Okay, so it's a matte bronzer. It's a powder, and I don't know about you, but I'm really excited to use that. So yeah. Next here, we have Make Lip Gloss. So, Make, is that what it is? Make Lip Gloss? In the color Abalone. I don't know. Let's try this out. Ooh, that applicator is really, really different. Oh, okay. So it's a lip gloss that has pigment. So, why did I like do the swatch on like the worst part of my body possible? Okay, hope you can see that right there. That's like the worst swatch on the planet. Sorry guys. Okay, the last thing in here is Marc Anthony Hydrating Coconut Oil and Shea Butter. It says, apply 1 to 3 drops depending on hair length and or thickness to damp or dry hair and distribute evenly from roots to end. Do not rinse out. Style as usual. So this is it right here. So basically it's an oil. Yes, it is an oil. I gotta be really careful with oils for my hair because I have tape-in extensions, which I just put lip gloss all over. That's wonderful. That's great. Love that. But yeah, so I don't want my tape-in extensions just coming right out. So gotta be really careful with the oil. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to take off the makeup off my hand because lip gloss was getting everywhere and I feel like I still have it in my hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the last one that I am subscribed to is the Macy's Beauty Box, and it always has this booklet. This one is the most expensive because the other two are $10 each, and this one is $15, but they give you a $5 coupon so that you can spend it on the product that you really enjoyed. I think it's genius. So, and it's always like wrapped up in like pink paper. Which I love pink paper. I love the color pink. And I love wrapping paper, so it's a great combo. Okay. Oh dang, this time I got a $10 off coupon. Ooh, okay. So let's dive into this. The first thing I see here is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance in Radiance Yellow. So I'm pretty sure that I have a product like this. I don't believe that it's in Radiance Yellow though. Ah, get back in there. Interesting. Smells like MAC. MAC has a very distinct smell. Not sure why I took out so much product. So this says that it's formulated for oily and combination skin. This weightless primer improves the appearance of foundation or powder while hydrating and retexturing the skin. So I do have some problems with texture on my skin, only because it gets so dry that it gets like patches of dryness, and that looks like really rough skin. So then once I put product over it, it looks kind of crappy. So I'm actually gonna use that and tell you how I like it. The next thing in here is a Benefit Cosmetics They're Real Lengthening Mascara. So I really like when they send me this, but I get my eyelashes done. Like I have eyelash extensions, so I don't use mascara. So I'll be giving that away Avène. The next thing in here is a Lancome Sills Booster Lash Primer. So I'll probably be giving this away as well. Next we have Tarte Cosmetics Tartist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in Bestie. I love Tarte Cosmetics and I love their matte lip. I love their matte lippies. So I really can't wait to use that. And it's in the perfect color. So yeah, I love me some nudes. Next we have a fragrance. This is the Chanel Gabrielle. So it's just this little fragrance. And then the last thing in here is a Beauty Blender Blotterazzi Pro, a washable, reusable blotting sponge that keeps shine in check while you're on the go. Create a flawless makeup finish by absorbing excess oil and retexturing skin. So this is what they sent. And this is what it looks like. It's very thin. Feels like a Beauty Blender sponge, but like super, super thin. So I don't have oily skin, so I'm not sure how I would use this, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. But yeah. Oh, and it came, I don't know if I showed you the bag. It came in this like super fuzzy, cute black bag. So those are my subscriptions. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and comment down below like if you did get some other stuff, some other goodies, or if like you have a suggestion for another beauty subscription that's really good that you enjoy, tell me down below. All right, and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.